internet. Not a lot going on in the beginning of this video. Today it's Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas, everybody. I want to get this shop cleaned up a little bit. I mean, it's a little messy. Oh, and the tailgate turned out pretty good. I'm very happy with the way the tailgate turned out. But I want to go ahead and just kind of get this shop cleaned up and go from there on far as what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to bring in, I have some bedsides that I'd like to get cleaned up and put in epoxy primer. Don't have anything for the bedsides to go on, but at this point, but at least that way they're all the body work's done with it and they're in primer and things like that. Or I may bring in my other truck that needs cab corners, needs a little bit of rockers on it. The lowering kit needs to be put on it. That would be the 88. But first of all, I got a new sticker from a channel. Check these guys out. They're awesome. It's David and Helena. Good people. But I want to go ahead and put them up here on the lift. By 1776 garage. Check him out too. And then I'm going to start cleaning. I don't think you guys want to see that, but we'll go from there. I do want to give you a before and after. You can see, whew, man, that's a disaster. Anyways, I'll bring you back. I was thinking about putting the tailgate on the truck today, but I found some latches that I had, because this tailgate doesn't have any latches. And the ones I have must be for, I don't know, 73 to 76 or something like that, because they only have bolts here and here. They don't go this full length. And they don't have the little, I don't know what you want to call it there, but like a stud or something like that for the tailgate here to hold into. This one doesn't have it at all, where the proper latches I have do have it. So I guess that'll be put on hold for now. Now, who would have thought that my paint bench, my workbench, whatever you want to call it, wow, it's actually clean. It was all cluttered up with all this stuff. Well, and this stuff, all my Chevy or my square body stuff in there. Cleaned it off, wiped it off. Now it's nice and clean. Just to get paint and everything else back on it. Look at all the room, all the activities we can do in here. Woo! Have dance parties. That's awesome. Now, we're gonna have a truck right here. That truck's probably gonna get pushed back where you're at. So I got plenty of room to work on the truck and everything. This is nice. I like this. Okay, so really, what I'm not done yet. I got this area in here that I gotta get cleaned up and everything. That cabinet, I'm gonna do something with it. I don't know if it's gonna stay there or be moved over in front of the door or by the door. Not sure yet. But as soon as I get that picked up, or maybe that'll be there until I get this area picked up, because I want to get my engine hoist somewhere and just kind of get all this tidied up and have where is it? Right there. I have spindles from the giveaway truck, and just other things that need to be picked up and get it swept. Get that nice And then I'll probably end up taking that truck and pushing it back here so that I have all this area to clean up. Yeah, I had the bench cleaned off, but then I ended up putting some stuff on it afterwards. That's what benches are for. They just collect everything. But really happy with the progress I've made so far on this. I think I'm actually kind of, at this point, I could probably bring the truck in and start working and be fine. But I still, that area just, oh, I need to tidy it up. So I guess I'll probably do that tomorrow. It's pretty late. I think it's midnight right now. So I'll bring you back tomorrow. All right, so as I'm cleaning and everything, I decided, you know, I got these primer these cans of primer over here and a can of paint. And last time I used them, I have those, well, let me turn you around and I'll show you. So I have these things on it. Last time I used them on the primer, it was pretty thick. I mean, it was this here didn't turn very well. Works great for the paint. Not so great for primer. Right now I got reducer soaking in them. But the primer, I don't know, it seems to get pretty thick on there and gum up and everything. So yeah, probably not a good thing. I'm gonna try to get these cleaned up and only use them. I'm not even gonna put these little spinny things back in them. I'll just use them for little pour spouts or whatever for when I'm painting. And then when I'm done using it for the primer, while it's still primer and not mud, I'll clean it off and everything so that I got it again. So then I'll just use it for pouring, so I can just pop it open and pour it in. But yeah, I won't leave it on the primer again, that's for sure. That's just a little tip if you guys are like me and thought, man, that looks like a good idea to put them on there. It was a good idea for a minute. And then as they sit in your cabinet or on your shelf and not spinning or anything, yeah, they get pretty thick. So that's what I'm doing now, is cleaning them up. So I've been in the shop and I may have done a little something other than cleaning. I'm just gonna turn you around and show you, I guess. So I guess the grand reveal. Yep, I put the tailgate on. I have a handle, but I don't have it painted or anything yet. So when I get that done, I'll put that in there. But I'd say she looks pretty good with that tailgate on. The booty looks a little more complete with that on there. The way the light hits it, I have to get it outside and look, but it kind of looks like it might be a little bit lighter maybe. Huh. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm still happy to have it on there. All right, well, not a lot done on this video, other than I can show you that I got the tailgate on because I got the latches and everything for it. But the shop is cleaner. I mean, it may not look like it a whole lot, but the floor is cleaner and this area over here is cleaner. I've been trying to, there we go. been fighting with my air compressor because if you can see that pipe right there, or that hose, it was a copper one there, and it broke. So I've been trying to, I ordered that, and well, I got one side to fit and the other side's not fitting, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I need an air compressor, no doubt about it. Well, I guess with that, I'm gonna leave this video here. Not a lot done this week, but that's how it is sometimes. So I just wanna say, please comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And thank you very much for watching. God bless, and I will catch you on the next one.